Right, your crypto wallet is leaking more information than you think, and yes, they can track you. Most wallets actually leak your IP and let trackers follow your transactions. What does this mean? It means that anyone can link your wallet to your online identity. So gone are the days where we actually thought having that cloud storage or even having that wallet online being completely out of the ordinary, but it's not. It's actually can be linked to your identity. Now, what I'm about to show you is an app and a company that actually does all of these things. Now, before I jump in, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, so this is coldwallet.com. Link will be down in the description. But what we can see here is some of the core features I want to show you. One of the main ones I want to show you is the non-custodial wallet. What this means is you own your private keys, which basically means no one else can touch your crypto. Like it said here, Cold Wallet is a non-custodial, self-custodial wallet, meaning your funds are always in your hands, not your keys, not your crypto. Obviously, that does come with some dangers. If you lose the keys, you've lost the crypto. So a couple of the other features is an on-off ramp. That means it seamlessly converts fiat to crypto and vice versa. Innovative and user-friendly. We can already tell by the website that it's definitely user-friendly and innovative. Cross-chain swapping rewards program, which I will be touching later on in the video, where you can actually get up to 100% of your gas fees back. Now, unified wallet balances, easy coin listing application, real-time notification, invoicing made simple, mobile first experience, custom price alerts, and quick send to your contacts. Okay, so another exciting feature is you actually get rewarded in USDT for your swaps and referrals. What we can see is Cold Wallet gives you USDT rewards just for swapping and referring, and it works, but we're not stopping there. Their pre-sale is chance to get in early on their next phase. CWT, that's their token name, the utility token that will power the entire reward system. Soon you won't just earn your offset fees on swaps, gas, and ramps, unlock cashback tiers, and boost your referral rewards. How does it work? We simply click on that and it tells you here. Step one is share your referral link to friends, family, or even a community if you've got that. They swap and then you earn, and then keep earning more swaps and more earning. There is no limitation. It just keeps going and going. Okay, so now we've just touched on CWT. We're actually going to look into the pre-sale itself. Now, why are we doing that is because having access to the pre-sale actually lets you lock in higher cashback tiers for the future. Now, let's take a look at their tokenomics, okay? So this is, like we've just mentioned, it's going to be the backbone of the Cold Wallet ecosystem. It's multi-chain, that's on BNB chain, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, and also multiple more. Utility is gas and swap cashback, which we touched on. A deflationary model, and pre-sale price starts at 0.007. You can look at the white paper and also buy the token just by clicking on those buttons. We can see the pre-sale token amount is 4 billion CWT, 40% of the total supply. Final stage price will be 0.3517, and launch price estimate up to 50% from stage 1. Okay, so if we look at their roadmap, phase 1 is the CWT token goes live for early supporters. Phase 2 is very interesting because token actually gets listed and the rewards kick in. So you don't have to do that staking. You don't have to risk your coins. You just have to hold them. If you have them in your wallet, then guess what? You're going to be rewarded from day one. Okay, then phase 3 is your partner integrations, premium tier boost, and advanced features rollout. Okay, so a good thing is pre-sale is currently active already. All you have to do is connect, log in, and you can be a part of this in yourself. You can see up here, pre-sale live, move early, get more CWT, buy now. Obviously, they're saying move early is because the price will be cheaper the earlier you get in. And if we go back to the homepage, you can see already $6 million raised and they're on stage 18. Right, now what I'm going to do is give you a brief look into the Cold Wallet white paper. Okay, so you can see token utility and then the cashback tiers are here. And yes, I didn't lie to you guys. The diamond tier is 100% of your gas cashback. Okay, so they've got the bronze tier, 10% on gas, 5% on swap, and then 5% on off ramp. And it goes all the way up to diamond, which is 100%, 50%, 50%. How does it work? Like I said, no staking, just hold CWT in your wallet. That is it. Reward scale automatically. Once you hit a new tier, your cashback level updates in real time. Now, obviously, this is also something I want to show you, the referral system. The person who refers gets a 20% bonus in CWT. The person being referred gets a 10% bonus. So you both win. You can see here, you can also continue earning rewards when you refer someone through the reward. You both earn cashback on their swaps. It's paid out in USDT and it's real. You can claim once your balance hits 5 USDT. But obviously, as always, the white paper is the place to go to get every single bit of information. But let me know down in the comments if you feel like I've missed anything or if you want any questions answered. Right now, if you care about privacy, you need to care about your wallet. Cold Wallet gives you total control, hides your footprint, and pays you for using it. What you need to do is download it and grab your CWT early. Like I said, the earlier you get in, the more rewards you will get because it's a cheaper price. And with the starting price of $0.35 and the potential of 50x, it's honestly a lot easier to jump in now than it will be in weeks of time. You need to click down below in that description, click on coldwallet.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.